Welcome to AI News Connect, your trusted source for the latest developments in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the rapidly evolving world of AI technology. I'm Cassandra, and today we have two major stories that could reshape the future of AI. First, researchers have unveiled an AI system that generates climate-friendly cement recipes in seconds, slashing carbon emissions in construction. This innovation addresses one of the world's most carbon-intensive industries, reducing CO2 output by as much as 50% in some formulations. The AI analyzes data from thousands of cement blends, optimizing for strength and environmental impact. To provide more insights into what this means for the AI industry, let's turn to Matthew, who is reporting from a major tech conference where industry leaders are reacting to this news. Matthew, over to you.
Thanks, Cassandra. Here at the Global AI Summit, the response to this AI breakthrough has been overwhelmingly positive. Experts believe that this new capability could redefine how businesses and developers integrate AI into real-world applications for sustainable construction. Industry analysts predict that this could revolutionize construction practices globally, especially in regions prioritizing net zero targets. The system's ability to process vast chemical datasets at lightning speed could accelerate the adoption of low-carbon building materials. However, challenges remain, including dependence on quality raw materials and the scalability of the technology. Some experts have raised concerns about implementation costs, but researchers emphasize ongoing improvements in efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Back to you, Cassandra.
Thank you, Matthew. Our second big story today revolves around international AI policy. The UN has issued a landmark statement urging nations to ensure AI systems comply with human rights standards. Following a surge in AI deployment across public and private sectors, the UN highlights risks to privacy, equality, and accountability. This development comes as governments worldwide grapple with regulating AI while fostering innovation. The statement emphasizes the need for transparency in AI decision-making and safeguards against algorithmic bias. To explore the implications of this policy shift, let's go to Crystal, who is reporting from the Global Ethical AI Forum, where policymakers and tech leaders are discussing these new guidelines. Crystal, what can you tell us?
Thanks, Cassandra. Here at the Global Ethical AI Forum, policymakers and ethicists are debating how to translate these UN recommendations into actionable laws. The UN's call emphasizes transparency in AI decision-making and safeguards against algorithmic bias. Technology companies face pressure to adopt ethical auditing, a move some say could slow innovation, but others argue is critical for public trust. A particular focus is on AI-driven surveillance and automated decision-making systems used in healthcare, finance, and criminal justice. Legal experts suggest that compliance frameworks will need to be developed rapidly to keep pace with AI advancement. The challenge lies in creating standards that protect human rights while allowing beneficial AI applications to flourish. Back to you, Cassandra.
Thank you, Crystal. To recap today's top AI stories, AI's rapid advancement in sustainable materials promises to revolutionize construction with climate-friendly cement recipes, while the UN's push for ethical AI governance emphasizes the need for human rights compliance in AI systems. These stories underscore the dual role of AI as both a solution to global challenges and a technology requiring careful oversight. As AI continues to evolve at breakneck speed, we'll be here to keep you informed with the latest updates, expert insights, and in-depth analysis. If you found this report informative, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with breaking AI news. Also, let us know in the comments, how do you see AI shaping the future of sustainable technology and global governance? That's all for today on AI News Connect. I'm Cassandra, and we'll see you next time with more cutting-edge updates from the world of artificial intelligence. Stay informed and stay ahead.